Introduce highlight features or overview summary about SEUOAG solar spotlights, outdoor, 4 packs. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include: automatic on/off and energy saving. The solar panel of the landscape light has a built-in light sensor, allowing the solar spotlight to light up in a dark environment and automatically turn off in a bright environment. Solar panels absorb sunlight during the day and convert it into electrical energy storage, lighting up your outdoor areas in an energy-saving and environmentally friendly way. 2 easy installation options. You can insert the solar outdoor spotlight into the ground as a patio light, or use the included screws to mount it on the wall as a wall light. And the wireless installation allows you to say goodbye to messy wires, and ensure the safety of you and your family. Adjustable lighting angle. You can adjust the lamp head from 0 to 120 degrees for efficient solar energy conversion and find the best lighting angle. Flexible to illuminate your landscaping, trees, sculptures, flags, pillars, gates, steps, plants and more. 3 brightness lighting modes. Solar-powered spotlights have 3 lighting modes to meet your different needs. Just press the power button to select the mode between dim light mode, up to 14 hours, / medium light mode, up to 12 hours, / high light mode, up to 10 hours. To acquire a better lighting effect, please ensure they are fully charged during the day for at least 8 hours. IP65 waterproof. Our outside solar spotlights are made of high-impact resistance ABS material, allowing these lights to withstand all kinds of bad weather such as rain, snow, wind, frost, high temperature, and more. Super bright solar spotlight. SEUOAG Outdoor Solar Pathway Spotlight has 65 built-in LED beads, providing up to 650 lumens of brightness to light up your yard, garden, patio, driveway, pool, garage, front doors, backyards, walls and more. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe. Press the bell and select all, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.